Hello friends, so in this video we are going to learn pivot table. Okay, how to like make the pivot table of a given data set, right? So pivot is the strong tool which is used to analyze the data deeply. Okay, so we will learn pivot table by solving some of the questions. Okay, I'll give this sheet link in the description box. You can make the copy of this sheet. Okay, and you can practice this. Okay, so the first question for today's video is we have to create a pivot table having the average rating for all the session taken and number of session taken. Okay, so uh, we have a data. Okay, in the first column we have tutor name, second column class ID, third column tutor mail ID, and fourth column average rating we have. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to make a pivot table of this given data set. In this, the unique tutor will be there, right? After that, the total number of session taken by those unique tutor, and in the third column we will take the average rating for them. Okay, so for creating pivot table, what you have to do, you have to go to insert, then you have to click on the pivot table. Okay, so what is this dialog box asking? The first thing is data range, right? So you have to select the data range, means you have to select the first four columns because the data is present in this first four columns. Okay, then click on OK. Now it is asking that where we have to insert this pivot table, right? So we have to insert this pivot table in existing sheet only. We will select this existing sheet. Then the dialog box is saying we have to select the cell in which we have to make a pivot. Okay, so we will select this cell only. Okay, where we have to create a pivot, and click on OK, and then click on create. Okay, so basically see in the now what pivot is asking, see, this is called as the pivot table editor. Okay, so the first thing is the pivot table is asking that what do you want to add in the rows. Okay, so we'll click on add. Okay, so in rows we want to select unique tutor. Okay, so basically we will select tutor name. Okay, so these are the tutors which are present in the list. Okay, so what we will do, we will filter out the blank, we will select add in front of filter tutor name, right? We will remove blanks in it, and we will click on OK. So basically how many tutors are there? There are like 15 tutors present here. Okay, there are 15 tutors present here, so we can arrange this tutor in descending order as well. Okay, like this, so we can select any order. Okay, so these are the unique tutors which are present here. Okay, after that what we have to do, we have to select the number of sessions taken by them. Okay, we have to select number of session taken by them. So in values we will add, right, we will add class ID. Okay, so instead of sum we will select just count a. Okay, so basically these are the sessions, number of sessions taken by these unique tutors, right? These are the number of session taken by this unique tutor. After that what we have to do, we have to find out the average rating, right? Average rating, so average rating is in column D. Okay, so what we will do, again we will select add, which is in front of values, right? We will add average rating. Okay, now it is showing the sum of the rating, right? So we have to find out the average. So what we will do, we will select this drop down and we will select average in this. Okay, so it will count average automatically. Okay, so see, the average rating for this is this one. For tutor 9 the average rating is 4.58 and he has taken 15 sessions. Okay, so basically what we'll do, we will arrange this data set in a proper format. Okay, we will select, we'll just center align it, middle align. Okay, now this count of class should not be in the decimal, right? So select like this, and we'll select only till 2 digits, right? This is the average rating. Okay, so this is the solution for first question, right? Now we will solve the second question. What is the second question? The data set is given. Okay, date is there, customer name is there, the number of product brought by them, then state, then region, then credit card type, then tip, gross revenue, cost of samosa, and net income is there. Okay, what is the question? The question is the owner wants to know about the visa. Okay, only Visa card he want to know. He also want to know how the business is doing. He challenge you to create a pivot table that shows the total number of order by unique customer. Okay, average net income, gross revenue, average tip of an order for Visa users only. Okay, great. So what we will do, we will create a pivot table. We will select this one. We will click on insert. Again, you know the process of creating pivot table. Now we have to select a data range. Okay, so data is from column A to column J. We will select, we will click on OK. Existing sheet, we have to select a cell where we want to create a pivot. Okay, we'll select this W1. Click on OK. Okay, create. Now see, the pivot table is created here. Okay, so basically in the rows we want to add unique customer, so basically we will add customer name here. Okay, we'll filter out blank from customer name, so in filter we will click on add, we will filter out the blank from here. Okay, so basically how many customers are there? There are 11 customer in total. Okay, there are 11 customer in total. Okay, now what is the second question? The question says that we have to find out the total order given by them. Okay, so in the values we will click add. Okay, total number of orders. Okay, means okay, how many repeating orders they have given. So what we will do in the values, we will select again customer name. Okay, so if we select customer name, so it will show that how many this customer has given the order, right? The number of times the customer name repeat in the particular given data set, it shows number of order. We'll select customer name. Okay, so see the customer one, it name is repeating 120 times, means it has given 120 orders, right? Customer 10 is repeating 200 times, it means that he has given 200 orders. Okay, so this is the number of orders given. After that we have to find out the average net income. Okay, so again on values, see net income we will select. Okay, so this is the sum of the net income, but we want average, so we will select this drop down. So we have multiple options here. As we want to find out the average, we will select average here. So this is the average net income. Okay, this is the average net income. Okay, after that what we want to select, we want total gross revenue. Okay, so again we will click on this add. Okay, gross revenue, yeah, this one is the gross revenue. So as we want to like have a total gross revenue, we need sum there. So already sum is there, so we have gross revenue for each and every customer like this. Okay, and at last we want average tip as well. Okay, so again we will select add in front of values, we will select tip, right? So this is the total tip in percentage. Okay, but we want average, so we will select this drop down, we will select average tip. Okay, so this is the average tip for each and every customer, right? But see, the main question here is we want this data only for Visa customer, right? Visa card customer. So basically what we will do, right, we will select add in front of filter. Okay, we will apply the filter on credit card type. Okay, and as we want to select the data only for Visa card, we will keep only Visa there, and we will deselect all other items. We will clear all other items and we will only select Visa. Click on OK. Now this is the data for Visa card only, so this will be our final answer. Okay, I hope you got the concept of the pivot, right? The pivot is very strong tool which is used for analyzing the given data. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.